In this video, I will show you how you can increase the max volume on your iPad 11 A16. Now to do that, first of all, just grab your iPad. As you can see, we have a single button over here, which is the power button. And we have two buttons over here, and these are the volume buttons. Now just press either one of these buttons and increase the volume of your iPad. Now after you increase the volume of your iPad using the volume buttons, then just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, just make sure that this volume bar is on full. After you've done that, now just go to settings, and under settings just scroll down and tap on sounds. Over here, just make sure that the slider for ringtones and alerts is on full. After that, just scroll down and tap on volume limit. Now if this feature is turned on, just turn it off. Now after you disable volume limit on your iPad, then just go back and tap on reduce loud sounds. Now if this feature is enabled, just turn it off. Then finally, on this page, just tap on reduce loud audio. Also, if this feature is turned on, just turn it off. Now after you've disabled all these options, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just grab your iPad and check the speaker grills of your iPad. Now if you find any dust or debris stuck in the speaker grills, just use a soft brush and clean the speakers of your iPad. Now after that, just perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button of your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And this is how you can increase the max volume of your iPad 11 A16. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.